search to find the love within. I came back to let you know, got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know, got a thing for you, and I can't let go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they dream of. What you won't do to do for love, you tried everything, but you don't give up. In my world, only you make me do for love what I would not do. My friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in the daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know, got a thing for you, and I can't let go. Although I only want the best, it's true, I can't believe the things I do for you. What you won't do for love. You've tried everything, but you won't give up. In my world, only you made me do for love what I would not do. Made me do for love what I would not do. Make me do for love what I would not do. Make me do for love what I would not do.
Happy birthday. I'm so happy for you. I wish that you stay healthy and strong every day. I miss you so much, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. I just wanted to greet you a happy birthday. So, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito James. Thank you so much po sa pagiging generous niyo sa amin ng ate ko. And also for giving us the guidance that we need sa mga plano po namin sa buhay. Alam niyo naman yan, Tito. Thank you so much and happy birthday.
Pare, kamusta ka na? First of all, I'm sorry dahil hindi ako present sa birthday party mo. Anyways, happy 50th birthday to you. And pare, I am so proud of what you have become. Still remember the time nung teenage years natin na everyday magkasama tayo. You planned everything na gusto mong mangyari sa life mo. And look at you now. You are very successful. And as a brother, I am so proud of you. Everything that you have planned for came into reality. Kathy and the kids, your career, being there in the US, and being a doctor. Pare, I am so proud of you, of everything that you have become. I'm always looking forward na magkita tayo and to catch up on everything that life has offered us. Thank you for being there with me through all the hardships, the better days, the learning moments, and everything, pare, na shinare natin through our teenage years and many more years to come. Hopefully, makakapunta ako dyan and you're gonna tour me around. And I'm always looking forward na umuwi ka dito and magkita tayo uli at we shared time together again. And truly, kapatid, that we are a living testimony of brothers not being just through blood, but also through experiences. At yung mga learnings natin for 3 decades of being friends, being best friend, being partner in crime. Again, brother, happy 50th birthday to you. And another 50 years to come. And all the best. I wish you all the best things in life has to offer. And see you again, brother. Happy 50th birthday. Cheers. See you soon.
Hello, James, pare. Happy 50th birthday. I'm very glad and honored that in those 50 years, I get to share a lot of them through our friendship. From being schoolmates at Notre Dame of Greater Manila from kinder to high school, we continued our journey as we studied physical therapy sa Emilio Aguinaldo. Then our bond got even stronger when we became instructors and colleagues sa EAC College of PT. Balawis. Pare, I miss the late night gimmicks sa Quezon City, sa Taft Avenue at sa Makati. I miss the times we both visit our alma mater, especially during Foundation Day or anytime we feel like visiting our fellow Damers sa school. And of course, I miss the fun times we had sa PTRC. Sige, NBA tourney pa kayo dyan, ha? James, pare, I wish you all the joy and prosperity, the love from friends and family, and the happiness and sense of accomplishment in our career in healthcare. Again, have a wonderful 50th birthday. Welcome to the club. We are not getting older. We are just getting started. Sige, pare.
Happy 50th birthday, James. Last day na today ng journey mo sa second quarter ng buhay. Tomorrow, you start with third quarter. Pero, nandito ako ngayon just to look back at your life second quarter na I have seen you grow, learn, and achieve so much. Alam mo, I'm really incredibly proud of the man you have become. Your life second quarter journey is and was a testament to your hard work, character, and kind heart. Kaya on this golden jubilee of your life. I wish you and all your loved ones continued health, wisdom, and God's blessings always in all ways. Love you and enjoy.